Hi everyone, today we will be going over the demo of IDMX. We will be covering the material master creation through the BTP solution of IDMX. Our IDMX platform is built on three domains: pre-boarding, master data and pre-processing. Each of these domains have capabilities built specifically to handle processes like supplier and customer pre-boarding, master data setup and workflow approval for multiple domains. Here you can see that we have multiple domains for master data like article master, material master, vendor master, customer master, GL master, profit center, cost center, BOM and routing. Each of these domains have specific validations, so we are not sending any duplicate data to SAP. Coming to the workflow, IDMX also has seamless workflow. We can limit the access of each domain, so a user can only create request, the manager can only approve, and send to SAP can be done by admin after verifying the data is correct. We can manage the access for certain users to each domain separately as well. So if one user is provided access for material master, they would not be able to view other domains. We can also create custom user group and assign those groups to specific user based on the access needed for that particular user. Coming to the dashboard. So this dashboard allows us to see the total number of requests created in a week, month or an year. We can filter based on the data domains, data created over the past week, past month and past year. We can also filter based on the status, that is approved, completed, new and declined. Let's go to single material creation. Click on create. All the mandatory fields are marked with asterisk. The drop down values are live validation with SAP. So if any new material type, plant or any configuration changes are done, the drop down will automatically update and show these values in the drop down. We can manually fill all the data, or we can use a variant to select the data which is already there in that variant. Select variant feature help us to save the data for some of the fields which are common and needs to be created at the time of material creation. We can save the variant and then edit it based on the new material. Once all the mandatory fields are filled, we can click on create and a new request is created. We have put a functionality where the material description is auto updated to all caps before sending to SAP. Manager will get an email that the request is created for a particular material. The manager can approve or reject the request from email or from the IDMX portal. Once the request is approved, we can send it to SAP to create the material. You can see that the request status has been updated to completed and material number is displayed. We can validate the material in SAP. We have put the validations so that duplicate materials are not created in SAP. So if I try to create another request with the same material description, it will not allow us to send it to SAP. As upload template which contains the data required for material creation. Each line represents a new material. We have three materials in this template. As you can see in the first row, we have the views and second row has all the fields that will be populated. The one highlighted in red are mandatory. We will upload this file in IDMX. To upload the mass template, click on create. Click on import and upload the template. Click on submit. As soon as you click on submit, IDMX will create a request number. Once the request is created, we can approve or deny the request using the portal. An email is also sent with the approval and deny link to the approver. The approver can directly approve or deny the request from the link or via logging into the IDMX portal. Once the request is approved, we need to send the data to SAP. Click on send to SAP. You will notice that the request status has been updated to completed. Now to see the material created in SAP, click on the request line. You can see the three materials are created in SAP. Let's verify the creation of materials in SAP. Log into SAP, go to Mara table, enter the material number as displayed in the request and execute. We can see that the materials are successfully created in SAP. Let's also check the Gen AI functionality of IDMX. Let me try to fetch the data on one of the suggestions listed below in the text box. Click on the audio button. Show me the bar chart according to the status. Bar chart is generated based on the status new and draft. This can be customized as per the requirement by feeding the data through machine learning and generating the result based on the artificial intelligence. So that is all for today. Hope you liked the video. Thank you.